Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to use the timer function on your iPhone's camera. Whether you're taking a selfie or a group photo, the timer will help you capture the perfect moment. Let's dive in. Step 1. Access timer. Open the camera app on your iPhone. If you have an iPhone 10 or later, choose portrait or photo mode. Tap the upward arrow at the top of the screen. Step 2. Choose the timer period. Find the timer icon. It looks like a clock. In the row of icons, select 3 seconds, for a 3-second delay, or 10 seconds, for a 10-second delay. Option to turn off live photos in the upper right corner if you don't want burst mode. Step 4. Take photos. Tap the capture button and quickly get into position. The timer will count down and your photo will be taken automatically. Self-timer helps you take the photos you like, the photos in which you are ready to pose beautifully. Or taking photos continuously can help you have photos with perfect poses. Hope you have satisfactory and beautiful photos. Like and subscribe to help us be motivated to make more videos about technology tips. Thanks for watching.